You are welcome to Advanced Computer YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will discuss how to design a quiz form or any kind of survey form. Let's go to start. First open Google Chrome software or any browsing software which available in your computer or mobile phone. Type the website dos.google.com, press enter. Go to main menu and select the fourth option, forms. To start a new form about quiz or any kind of feedback or survey form, go to the plus icon as a blank to start a new form. Click on that icon. The first step, you need to type title of the form. I want to type Gmail quiz because I have some questions about Gmail. I want to create a quiz which related to Gmail, and look at your quiz form. Also set the title as Gmail quiz and type more description about the quiz. And default, there is the first question on title. You need to type your question options, but before typing the question, go to the setting option. In the setting dialog box, there are three tabs: general, presentation, quizzes. In the quizzes tab, select the checkbox collect email address. This is very helpful for you because you can be collect the email addresses of the respondent who will attend your quiz. You can be receive email address and reply them. Another option, response receipts. Check this option also. And go to the last option, that is very important for the quiz form. If you don't require to design any quiz, then don't need to go this option. That means for the survey form or any kind of feedback form, don't require to go to quiz. But I already titled Gmail quiz, so this means I want to design a quiz form. For the quiz form, active this option. This is very important. If you active this option, then you can be gradation for each question and set answer key for the question. Otherwise, you cannot be use the gradation and answer. That means you cannot be create a quiz form, only survey form. It is very important. Then click on and set all other options as by default. Don't need to change. Click on save. Next step, type question here. Question 1, 2, 3, 4. As many questions required for your quiz. And set options for the quiz. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Any options. If you add any more options but you don't require, then you can be close. In the option also be set picture. Using picture option, add image. In each option there is the button to add image, and also be set image for your question. Your question may be different category like multiple choice question, or also be set drop down like this type of options appear for the question if you set drop down. And also we check boxes for the question and short answer questions etc. This is your question 1. I want to type some questions about related to Gmail. Look at this question. How long does a document remain in the trash? And in the options there are 4 options: 30 days, 60 days, until you remove it indefinitely. There are 4 options. Out of these 4 options, one is correct. Then go to answer key and set the correct answer. If it is 60 days, select 60 days for correct. If it is 30 days, select 30 days for correct answer and type the point as 10. Yeah, 1, yeah, 2, which required for your quiz. I want to take 100 points for the quiz. I already written 10 questions here. And the next option for your feedback, set feedback for incorrect. Sorry, your answer is wrong. For correct, congratulations, this is correct. Or any kind of message for the correct. For the incorrect, then save. This is optional. Feedback not mandatory, but answer key is important. Gradation point is very important. After using these options, select done for next question to proceed next question. If you want to use same type of questions repeatedly, then don't need to go new question, add question option. You can be duplicate this question. I used this process, duplicate process. Click on duplicate option and look at, I want to show you how to duplicate this question by click on the icon duplicate. Look at question 1 and 2, both are same. Because I used duplicate, I need to type new question here, new options, and set required mandatory, and use answer key to set point and choose the correct option, then use done. But I already written 10 questions here, so I don't want to this question more. I want to delete now. Click on the icon delete. Question 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 questions I used similar category, only multiple choice questions, but you can be choose other type of questions. Try. If you face any kind of problem, then you can be comment me in the comment box. I will reply you, or you can also be chat me live through our website if you face any kind of problem. In the next step, go to theme choice. The quiz form background look should be attractive. Go to theme and choose the theme color, and there is very important for the header image at the top of the quiz form. You can also be set header image, choose image. There are variety of themes provided by Google website. You can be choose any of one theme, insert, or you can also be choose your personal images if you have in your computer, but I have. Let's go to see how to set your personal image. Choose image, then go to upload, click on browse. Look at in this folder, there is an image web title named. Open this image. It's uploaded, then done. So preview at the top of the quiz form. Now you can be change the font style of the quiz, which is playful font. You can be choose the basic, which is the default. By default there is basic font style available. You can be choose other font style for the questions. Then close theme option. You cannot be set more any options because Google provided only the simple options for the beginners who don't know anything about this computer, but he can be create a simple quiz for the students or the friends, followers. At the last option, you need to show the preview here. Go to preview option. How it will appear to your viewers. You can also be test your questions. And at last submit, but I don't want to use for testing. It is correct, available, no any error. But before sending you need to show preview. The last option, go to the send. How to send this quiz to your friends or the followers or to anyone. There are different ways to send this quiz. Just click on the send option. The first option, mail this quiz. Type the email address of your recipient. I want to send this quiz myself, so I type my email address here. Then type the subject, Gmail quiz or any subject for the mail. Click on send. If you don't have any email address of your recipient, you can be sent through SMS, WhatsApp, or also be socially share your quiz through Facebook. Look at there is Facebook icon available, Twitter, but you can also be share manually by generate a link. Let's check how to generate link to share. The second option for link, go to link, but link is too large. You can be you must be sort the link using the certain URL checkbox. It's already sort. Just copy the link and send this link through SMS or through WhatsApp or Facebook, Twitter, any media which is available in your mobile phone or computer. But I want to show you how to send through WhatsApp this link. Just copy the link. Look at, I open my WhatsApp here in the new tab, web WhatsApp, and select any of one number or any group which is available in your WhatsApp link. There is ACTS staff link available. I want to share this quiz test form to my staff. So paste your link in the message box and click on the send icon or press enter. Look at this Gmail quiz form already sent this group. Let's click here to test how it opens. Exactly open as you design in your Google form. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, then you can be message me in the comment box. Thank you.